Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find Shopify store owners. This is incredibly useful if you're looking to connect with specific e-commerce businesses, research competitors, or find potential collaboration opportunities within your niche. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to google.com. Once you're there, you're going to use a specific search operator that will help you filter results to show only Shopify-powered stores. This is where the magic happens. In the Google search bar, type in "powered by Shopify." This search operator tells Google to find pages that contain that exact phrase somewhere in their content. Since Shopify stores typically display "powered by Shopify" in their footer, this becomes a powerful way to identify them. But we're not stopping there because you want to narrow down these results to stores in a specific industry or product category. Right after that phrase, add another search operator by typing "keyword." Now here's where you customize your search. You'll replace the word keyword with whatever specific product or niche you're interested in. For example, if you're looking for clothing stores, you would change keyword to clothing, so your complete search would look like powered by Shopify clothing. This combination tells Google to find Shopify stores that also mention your chosen product category. Once you've typed in your complete search query with your specific keyword, go ahead and click the search button or simply press the enter key on your keyboard. Google will then process this search and begin displaying results that match both criteria. After a moment, you'll see a list of results populate on your screen. These are all stores that are powered by Shopify and are related to your chosen keyword. You can now browse through these results to find store owners operating in your specific niche. Each result will be a direct link to an active Shopify store, giving you immediate access to see how they've structured their business, what products they offer, and how they present their brand. This method is particularly effective because it bypasses general directories and gives you real active stores that are currently operating. You can use different keywords to explore various niches, whether that's electronics, jewelry, home decor, or any other product category you're interested in. And there you have it, a simple but powerful way to discover Shopify store owners in any niche you choose. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.